there are people that understand that laundromats are a very lucrative business, especially when it comes to the long-term game. People are always going to be washing clothes for as long as people wear clothes. I don't think society is going to start getting naked tomorrow. So as long as people are doing, or as long as people are wearing clothes, people are always going to be spending money on getting those clothes cleaned. Okay, whether they show up themselves or whether somebody shows up for them, whether they wash it themselves, whether somebody washes it for them, whether they dry it, fold it, hang it themselves, or somebody washes, dries it, folds it, and hangs it for them. But it's one of those things where if you're somebody that's trying to get into the laundromat business, if you're somebody that's trying to get into the laundromat space, the last thing that you want to do is buy a laundromat. At least not yet. Because a lot of people think that's how you get in. That's the barrier of entry that a lot of people struggle with. How do I get into the laundromat space area without having my own laundromat? But nowadays, we're in 2024. When this video comes out, we're in 2024. And then by the time you watch this, it might be 2025, 2026, even 2030, you know? But it's one of those things where laundromat space is changing, laundromat industry is changing, but the laundromat service, the laundromat concept is still the same. Meaning, whether somebody has a washer and dryer in their house or somebody goes to a laundromat to do laundry, people are still putting their clothes into a washer, still putting their clothes into a dryer, and still hanging their clothes, folding their clothes. And clothes are still, this process is still the same. It's been the same for almost a while, for a while now, and it's probably going to change soon, but things are pretty much the same. And so because things are the same, instead of you having to go and buy your own laundromat, there are many laundromats that let you use their equipment. There are many laundromats that let you, use their laundromat as if it was your own. And so the reason why I say don't buy a laundromat and that what you should do instead is start your own wash, dry, and fold business is because the wash, dry, and fold business, for those who don't know what it is, wash, dry, and fold business is pretty much you have a website or you have an app or you have some type of booking software. Customers can book or schedule a time and a place where they want you to come, pick up their clothes, wash, dry, fold their clothes, hang it, and then bring it back to their house. It's as simple as that. Just like how DoorDash, you can schedule somebody to pick up food from a restaurant and bring it to your door. This one, you can schedule somebody to come pick up your laundry, wash, dry, and fold it, and then bring your laundry back to your house, right? And so the reason why this is the type of company you want to start is because, one, it's cheap. You can start this company with little to no money. You can do this with, all you need is software. Some softwares even give you 30-day trial. Some of them even let you give you a lot of free trial stuff to where you don't have to pay for a lot of the stuff until people start to sign up, until people actually give you money. And by the time you're already making money, you already can make it pay for itself, right? But the reason why you should start a wash, dry, fold delivery company, pick up a delivery company instead of buying your own laundromat is because, like I said, you don't have to pay for things like equipment, insurance, office space. You don't have to pay for things like maintenance. You don't have to pay for things like employees. At the end of the day, there's a lot of things, a lot of costs, a lot of money that you save because laundromats are expensive. Machines, equipment, maintenance is expensive. Rent can be expensive. Utilities can be expensive. But when you don't have to pay for all those things, all you have to do is pay for some software and run some Facebook ads. It's as simple as that. All you do is create a website and have a booking software, and then you literally run social media ads targeting a specific niche, whether it's single moms, whether it's busy professionals, whether it's college students, whatever it is. You literally target people who need your service. But the reason why this is so powerful is because before DoorDash came out, people didn't understand that, you don't have to leave your house, and you can have any type of food that you want delivered. Back then it used to be you could only get DoorDash, you could only get pizza delivered to your front door. But now you can get anything. Amazon made it easy, DoorDash made it easier. Okay, so it's one of those things where same with laundry. You can have somebody schedule to pick up the laundry from the doorstep. You go wash, dry, and fold it at a laundromat, and then you come back and then drop it off back at their front door, all like it was nothing. You charge them premium to have it the same day, or they can have it the next day. And it's one of those things where once you understand that you can partner with laundromats and work with other people instead of having to get your own laundromat. Once you understand that you don't have to go and spend $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, even $1 million trying to get your own laundromat and then just start from there. And instead, you could literally have a wash, dry, fold business where any laundromat in your vicinity that you can go to. Some of them even have it there. Some of them even have your own employees. Some of them even have it to where they wash, dry, and fold for you. So what do? You literally just go and figure out what they charge. If they charge $150, you charge $250. You go there and you just pay a driver, and pretty much everything else is paid for. When it comes to the washer and dryer, they're washing it for you. When it comes to drying, they're drying it for you. They're folding it for you. They're putting it in bags for you. They're doing it the way you want, and you don't even have to hire the employees. You don't even have to worry about anything else. You don't even have to do much besides have a driver that goes and picks up and delivers, and then have a POS where you can keep track of all the inventory. It's one of those things where it doesn't really get easier than that. Nowadays, you can start a mobile laundry pickup and delivery company for little to no money. For less than $500, I can show you how to get started today. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you want to know more, you know what I'm saying, follow me on Instagram, send me a DM, do whatever you want to do. But at the end of the day, instead of buying a laundromat, you should start your own pickup and delivery company, because it's so much easier, it's so much better, it's so much simpler, it's so much cheaper. And at the end of the day, you save yourself a lot more trouble. You save yourself a lot more expensive. You save yourself a lot more headache. And at the end of the day, you still make money. You make money before you start to lose money. You make money before you even scale, before you grow, before you even spend $1,000, $2,000, $100,000, $500,000. Okay, so like I said, before you buy your own laundromat, you should start your own pickup and delivery company, because it's so much easier to do. It's so much cheaper to do. And at the end of the day, you make money from people's laundry, and you make more money from people's laundry, while also not having your own laundromat. Especially if you partner with people who give you discounts and hook you up with the machines, there's so much more that you can do. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how you can get started, or how to actually take your laundromat pickup and delivery company to the next level, watch this video here. Okay.